Namba nene ya arutwo ni matigaga thukuru ni undu wa wagi wa bithi undu uria utwikite igutha inene kuri arutani. Makaya maya maraikirio ni arutani anene a thukuru wa imwana wa Chania hamwe na thukuru wa airetu wa Chania hindi ya mucemanio na arutwo atene a mathukuru maya. Murutani munene wa thukuru wa imwana wa Chania augite ati ni mari na thina wa unyihu wa nyumba cia toro na gukiri uguo ni megukorwo na harambe ya kumahotithia gwaka nyumba ici iria ni cia muigana wa milioni 50.
Ni gukoretwo na ciana nyingi muno igiuka kuma primary riu policy ya thirikari ni ciana ciothe igagiuka secondary no ndu ucio ni ugitumite kugia na muhinyano munene muno thino wa kuria makomaga thino wa irathi uguo tugithio uguo tugithiite ni tugukiuria andu aria managithomera guku manyitane na ithuĩ nigetha tuhote gwaka ndomu na tuhote gwaka irathi nigetha muikarire wa ciana ukorwo wi mwega.
Ni mathiete na mbere na kuga ati mena mubango wa kwambiriria guthomithia arutwo aria maumite micii ina ukia munene.
No gugikoretwo na thina wa ciana cietagwo guku ni thirikari na igakorwo itire na hinya muiganu wa school fees. Twina muoroto munene wa kwambiriria kiti ya basari ya thukuru nigetha support iria ikuya thirikari nigetha alumni na nio ingiuria na gitio makorogo nio mambiriria haria mbere biu nigetha tukahota kungania mbeca as much as we can tugacoka tugaikara thi tuka-identify ciana iria needy magakiheo mbeca.
Juma Hemedi, Bimal Shah na Ashok Shah aria ni arutwo atene a thukuru wa imwana wa Chania maugite ni mekunyitanira hamwe na aruna ao na mateithiririe hari waki wa irathi, nyumba cia toro, laboratories, undu umwe na kurihira arutwo aria matehotete bithi.
Everybody has gone into very different field. I also feel that as an old student I also want to contribute towards improving the education standards of Chania High School.
There's currently work going on at the school, and there is a fundraiser that is being planned, and alumni are at the center of it all. For so many years the teachers have been playing their part. For so many years again the parents have been playing their part, and for so many years government has been playing its part. Now is the time for the alumni to play its part.
Giri Fotera Jita TV Kumadeka Jita Kid.